Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the feature and giving permissions. Open Messenger, go straight to Chats or App Settings, and enable chat heads or floating notifications. When the system asks, grant overlay or draw over other apps permission so Messenger can display over other screens. You need to confirm battery or notification exemptions if prompted so the window won't close in the background. Once done, test by receiving a message. You should see a small circular head appear over your current app. Now you refine how the floating window behaves. Tap a chat head to open the mini window, then drag it to any screen edge to keep it accessible without blocking content. Long press the head to access quick actions like mute, close, or pin that conversation. These controls help manage interruptions. Next, open Messenger settings and tweak chat heads options. Size, transparency, and weather messages auto-expand so the window matches your workflow. Make sure changes persist by testing while using another full-screen app. Finish by confirming reliable behavior across scenarios. Send test messages, accept a call, and switch apps to ensure the floating window remains on top. If the chat head disappears, immediately check overlay permissions and re-enable draw over other apps, then restart the phone to refresh system overlays. If problems persist, clear Messenger's cache or install the latest app update to fix bugs. Finally, make sure battery optimization isn't killing the app. Exempt Messenger so the floating window remains active when you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.